In this video, I'm going to explain how to install an ad blocker on Chrome, and with it, I will also explain in detail why you need to install AdBlock Plus. And in case you are still more interested, I will also show you how to disable it in case you choose not to have it again. So stay tuned for an exciting session. And by the way, in case you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe below and give me a thumbs up, because I'm sure you're going to get engrossed into this particular session.
So let's quickly understand what are the platforms that AdBlock and AdBlock Plus support. Okay, so AdBlock is very popular right now on Chrome, and the next variant of AdBlock is the AdBlock Plus. So I would just remind my viewers that both of them are similar. Okay, so you can either go for AdBlock or AdBlock Plus, but this video deals with AdBlock Plus. So AdBlock Plus supports all these four platforms except that it additionally also adds the Internet Explorer to its kitty. So if you are interested for Internet Explorer as well, then you should always go for AdBlock Plus. So now, as I said, there are similar features for AdBlock and AdBlock Plus. So these are the quick features because of which you need to have this AdBlock Plus install. So the first thing is you get the malware protection, and it restricts those irritating pop-ups that come on the screen while you are on, say, website visits, and you are maybe you're on some blog or something, and suddenly ad pop-ups. You can get rid of all those. You can have the number of ads that you blocked also registered through this particular plugin, and also it additionally blocks the ads on YouTube and Facebook. But I just want to remind you that AdBlock Plus has a feature wherein it allows the acceptable ads. So what it means is that if it is less intrusive, then it will remain on that particular website or on YouTube or Facebook. Okay, so if you are looking to completely get rid of the ads, then you might go for the option of uBlock. So I will create another video for uBlock. So if you are interested in that, you can let me know in the comments below. So the next task that we want to do is how to install it, and of course how to even remove that in case we require to do so. Okay, so let's jump into our installation section. So open your Chrome, and once you have opened Chrome, so you look on the left hand side top corner and you would find the apps there. So click on show apps, and once you click that, you come to web store. So you click web stores, and then on the search you type there AdBlock Plus. Okay, so click on AdBlock Plus, this one, and then you see the first one that comes up here, where you can see the reviews that it gets. It's huge review, I would say, and I like this particular extension. I have gone through their reviews, and most of the people are saying that it really helps them now. Okay, so click on Add to Chrome. So it says checking, and then it gives another notification. So it says that AdBlock Plus can read and change all your data on the websites that you visit. So if you agree to that, you can click on Add Extension. So once you click on Add Extension, so the app would get installed on your toolbar. So once it is installed successfully, you would find the icon there, ABP. So that's the AdBlock Plus. So click on that, and then you would see the number of items that it blocks. So I said that during the start of the video, right? It gives us the calculation of how many items that it has blocked. So if you click this small gear, you would then come to this section of the settings where it says what are those acceptable ads, and it gives you the meaning of that. So you can go ahead and read that. And you can also add languages, but in my case I would prefer to have it as English. And also you can block additional tracking. So, and also social media icon trackings as well. So if you click that, it would say that we have noticed you have both block additional tracking and allow acceptable ads enabled. So it says this, and it says that also if you prefer extra privacy, click on the only allow ad without third-party tracking checkbox below. So you can say okay, got it, and then you can click this particular icon there. Okay, so in my case I choose to not click these. Okay, and you would find also the whitelisted website, so you can add the websites that you want for which you would prefer to see the ads. Okay, so you can go ahead and add these. So for those websites, ads wouldn't be blocked. Okay, and in the advanced section it shows you all the details here, the number of ads blocked and all the other details of this. So you can click on the ad built-in filter list. So since AdBlock Plus is a free extension, so developers are constantly adding filters on top of that. So if you click that, you would see the available filters as of now while I create this video. So you can see that, and if you are from India, then you can see this for all your regional languages, you can see it. And if you are from US or UK, then obviously you have the English as the default. Okay, so you can also have block additional tracking or block social media tracking. So if that's the additional filter that you would want to add, so you can just have it added here. So now I would show you how to get rid of this particular plugin, just in case you feel that from AdBlock Plus you would like to move to another extension. Okay, so for that you need to come to the toolbar, and then you can see the 3 dots here. So by the way, if you did like the installation and you felt that AdBlock Plus is good for you, then please type below in the comments and let me know that you really liked it. Okay, also don't forget to click the subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up, because that is something that I am really looking forward from my viewers. Okay, so coming back here, so what you would need to now find here is go to more tools section, and then from here you go to extensions. So click on extensions, and then here you would see all the extensions that has been added here. So just would like to let you know that you are not in the developer mode. So this is developer mode has not been enabled. Okay, so you can do here is you can search the AdBlock Plus here, and you can just click on remove. So once you click remove, so another notification comes up wherein it asks again whether you would really want to remove the AdBlock Plus. So in my case I choose to remove it, so I click on remove, and once I click remove, it says that I have successfully uninstalled my AdBlock Plus. So there that's all I had to give you the entire reasons for adding the AdBlock Plus, how to install, and also in case you want to remove it, how would you do that. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and of course hit a like for this particular video. So till the next time, bye bye.